there should be something done for the service class.
Why there cannot be all the people who are income tax payers? Why the toll tax should not be free for them?
At the end what we want is like कि आपकी जो प्राइसेस है वो कम हो rather than वो GDP वगैरह वाला सही रहेगा.
India is set to unveil its budget on the 23rd of July. But what do the pulse of general masses here in India expect from it? Welcome to WION's White Check Budget Edition. It is a segment to make sense of what the people in India expect from the budget and how it impacts our daily lives. Let's get started.
First is that there should be something done for the service class. People who are paying 30% tax, 40%, 50%. It is okay. We are ready to pay that kind of taxes, but then just give some extra benefit to the people who are paying these taxes. Maybe it could be a possibility that the airline tickets or the schooling of our children, or say a house registration, that things goes down for people who have a solid ITR, or who are paying their taxes regularly. So this is one. Secondly, because I've heard a lot about, the loans for women entrepreneurs or the women MSME. My mom belongs to that, that generation. So I think that is not very clear. So how a woman who wants to start a new business or who wants to just extend, her mom's business, how should I avail that loan? So that should be, that kind of clarity has to be given. That is one. And these kind of initiatives should be more.
For the salaried class people, see, we are. I have been paying income tax for ever since I have started, doing a job, and every year I pay a lot of income tax. But the kind of although the infrastructure overall is increasing, but still there is a lot of problem on the infrastructure side, on the roads, and especially you see when you go on the highways, you see a lot of queues on the toll tax. So why there cannot be all the people who are income tax payers? Why the toll tax should not be free for them? Some such schemes government should come up with, so that the more and more people get interested in paying income tax and the government earning increases. So income tax is surely one thing, income tax slabs, which we are all looking forward from the government.
Right now what I think, like in the petrol if you say, and there are a lot of things in ingredients and the like राशन घर का जो है आपका, that is now increasing. The prices are increasing very much, and the rent. Right now, like if you live in Noida, the rent are like going so high, because I remember like earlier on 2 साल पहले या फिर 3 साल पहले, the budgets and the like rent was very low, but now the prices are suddenly increasing, and a lot of people say like नहीं वो GDP आपका अच्छा जा रहा है या नहीं, but I think at the end what we want is like कि आपकी जो प्राइसेस है वो कम हो rather than वो GDP वगैरह वाला सही रहेगा आपका.
Yeah, budget they should think of for us also, because we can't treat ourselves in a below poverty line, and we can't treat ourselves below high range. So for middle class they should think a bit, and they should consider us also, and they should cut subsidies like in gold and the restaurants bills that we are paying like in a huge amount. They should think for us also. Yeah.
अपकमिंग बजट से काफ़ी एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि हम चाहे तो अगर जो हमारा न्यू रिजीम है, स्पेशली जो मोदी गवर्नमेंट न्यू रिजीम को इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, उसमें वो एक अच्छी चीज़ ये कर सकते हैं. मेरा रिकमेंडेशन ये है कि वो न्यू रिजीम में जैसे पिछले ईयर वो बजट में लेके आए थे स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन 50,000 का इंक्लूड किया था, ऐसे ही वो ओल्ड रिजीम से कुछ एक्ट उठा सकते हैं. जैसे ATC बहुत बेनिफिशियल है. सबसे ज़्यादा जो यूज़ करते हैं लोग, सबसे ज़्यादा फ़ायदा उठाते हैं वो ATC का उठाते हैं, एंड मेडिकल जो एग्जाम हमको मिलता है उसका, तो ATC इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं वो न्यू रिजीम में. तो वो जो 1.5 लाख का जो टैक्स बचता है लोगों का, वो काफ़ी बेनिफिट करेगा. अदरवाइज़ वो स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन को भी बढ़ा सकते हैं. और एक जो मेन हाईलाइट पॉइंट मैं करना चाहूँगा उस पूरे टैक्स रिजीम में, वो ये है कि हम लोग को जो रेंट HRA एग्जम्पशन मिलता है, वो सिर्फ मेट्रोज़ एंड नॉन मेट्रोज़ में काफ़ी डिफरेंस आता है. और मेट्रो सिटीज़ के अंदर ओनली 4 मेट्रो सिटीज़ रजिस्टर्ड है, जो कि चेन्नई है, दिल्ली है, हैदराबाद है, हाँ एक और है कोई, आई थिंक मैं फॉरगेट कर रहा हूँ नेम. तो उसको मेट्रो सिटीज़ में नेम्स बढ़ाने चाहिए, बिकॉज डेवलपमेंट काफ़ी हुआ है इंडिया में एज ए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, और बाकी का और भी सिटीज़ इंक्लूड हुई हैं एज एन मेट्रो सिटीज़, बट वो नहीं है अभी इंक्लूड. वो पुराना स्ट्रक्चर चलता आ रहा है जो UPA गवर्नमेंट में था, वही मेट्रो सिटीज़ अभी भी वही लिमिटेड तक हैं. तो उनको बढ़ाना चाहिए ताकि और एम्प्लॉयज़ है और प्राइवेट सेक्टर वाले जो लोग हैं उसका फ़ायदा उठा पाएँ।